The collective unconscious consciousness is our enemy. This is what Carl Jung called the thought forms shared by every person in the world. Energies surround the world, much like the character Pigpen in Charlie Brown, if you're that old. The little bugs and things that were always around him. These thought forms can affect everybody. They can trigger memory. They can affect emotional or physical health. And if you're an empath, you really, really know that you can be affected because the empath feels other people's energy anyway. When we add in the collective consciousness, a person doesn't know whether it's their stuff or doesn't belong to the world. And usually they think it's theirs, which causes problems. The world today is a problem. There's a lot of conflict right now, both openly and coming to the surface. There's a lot of polarization between people that's just not very good. And earth changes around the world. There have been fires, floods, you name it. It has not been a very good year for the earth and the people on it. Any of these disasters are putting out energy into the unconscious again, the collective unconscious. We need to stay clear of that. Try setting an intention. Just take a minute, take a breath, and say, I demand to destroy any contracts, heart vows, hidden vows, soul programs, or protective promises with the collective about any programs, any health issues, or anything that draws me away from neutrality. Add an amen to that and take another breath. The most successful dowser has to be neutral in spite of all this chaos, and they need to be able to read what's theirs and what isn't. So practice untangling from the collective. First of all, be aware of it. Now you do. So keep working at it, keep trying, and keep dowsing.